7 perimenopause tips I wish I had known sooner. If I could go back in time and talk to my younger self, I'd have a lot to say about perimenopause. The truth is, most of us aren't prepared for this phase. Our doctors don't warn us, and society makes us feel like we just have to deal with it. But you do not need to suffer. In this video, I'm sharing 7 biggest things I wish I'd known about perimenopause sooner. Let's get into it. Tip number 1, perimenopause can start sooner than you think. Most of us think menopause happens in our 50s, so we assume symptoms won't hit until then. Wrong. Perimenopause can start in your mid-30s to early 40s. Changes in sleep, mood, energy, and weight might be perimenopause. If your cycle is shifting even slightly, it's worth paying attention to. Don't wait for symptoms to get worse before taking action. Tip number 2, stress is a major hormone disruptor. I thought stress was just mental. Turns out it wrecks your hormones. Chronic stress drains progesterone and adrenal function. This leads to fatigue, anxiety, belly fat, and poor sleep. Managing stress? It's not optional. It's a key part of hormone balance. Tip number 3, strength training is non-negotiable. Cardio isn't enough. Building muscle is the key to staying strong and lean. It helps regulate metabolism and insulin, protects against osteoporosis and muscle loss. Aim for at least 2 to 3 strength training sessions per week. Tip number 4, sleep problems aren't normal. They're a red flag. Waking up in the middle of the night, tossing and turning, it's not just aging, it's your hormones speaking. Low progesterone can cause insomnia and anxiety. High cortisol levels lead to middle of the night wake-ups. Supporting sleep early prevents long-term health issues. Tip number 5, nutrition needs to change. What worked in your 20s won't work forever. Your body has different needs now. Protein first at every meal to stabilize blood sugar. Reduce processed carbs and alcohol. Your hormones do not love them. Focus on nutrient density, not just calories. Tip number 6, lab tests are helpful, but they're not everything. I used to think lab tests would give me all the answers, but they are just part of the picture. Hormones fluctuate daily and throughout the month, so one test isn't always enough. Symptoms, history, and lifestyle are just as important as lab numbers. Functional lab testing, like the Dutch thyroid panels, can be game changers. Tip number 7, you don't have to suffer. There are solutions. No one tells us that perimenopause can be manageable. With the right tools, you can actually feel amazing. Diet, exercise, stress management, and targeted supplements can make a huge impact. You don't have to wait it out. There are ways to reclaim your energy, mood, and metabolism. The sooner you start, the better you'll feel. If I had known all this sooner, I would have taken action earlier. If you're ready to feel better now, join my free 5-day hormone reset. It's designed to help you start balancing your hormones in just 5 days. Check out the description to sign up now. You'll learn how to boost energy, reduce symptoms, and take control of your health with simple, effective steps. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more hormone health tips, and I'll see you in the next video.